What up, what up? All right, let's have a look. Let's make sure everything's working. As usual, the best way to start a stream is to talk about the technical side of it. Looks all good, looks all good. Sorry, one sec. All right, dope. What up, Suman? Life of Tranquimoli? Don, what up, what up? All right, guys. Here we are on gold. Another day, back at it. Another day, back at it. Dream chasing. What up, Kelvin? Brother? From potentially another mother. So, all right, I'm going to do a quick bit of top down here. Actually, let me do this real quick. Let me open up my drawing tool. What up, Nonchalant? Gang, gang, here we are. Back on gold. Let's crush it, right? I think that's the only logical thing to do over here is to crush it. So let's participate in that activity. I'm just bringing up this drawing tool so I can do a bit of analysis over here real quick. So let's do that. I reckon we should do that. So hang on. Yep. Click. All right, dope. Here we go. Got 10 computers all around me. Sick. Not confusing at all. All right, gang, here we are. Good to be here with you guys. Back at it with gold. Can't believe it's been 24 hours already. Time flies when you're having fun. You guys on YouTube, I made a bit more of a different layout. I like the more simplistic layout, to be honest. So yeah, I changed the layout there on YouTube. I like it better. I like it better. What do you guys reckon? If you took that buy yesterday, you'd be in crazy profits. I would never have held it anyway that long. But yeah. All right, guys, let's do a bit of top-down analysis over here, right? It's only logical to do that. Oh, look at the daily. So this, let me get rid of this. This was a major level, right? And we broke past it yesterday. And look, not only did we break past it, you guys, we retested that level. Look at this. We got a break, and then today's candle is retested. We are right at that area for it to flip up to this next range up here. Wow, I'm very bullish for the day. But maybe it won't happen in London. Maybe it'll happen in New York. Who knows? But I'm very bullish. I'm such a bull today. Bull sounds. Sorry, I'm just moving this around. Change is as good as holiday. The other one kind of cropped out the screen. Yeah, I think it's way better. Simple, man. Just keep it simple over here. All right, so look at the daily. The daily is pretty bullish, or it's very bullish. Let's have a look at the 4-hourly. Man, look at that 4-hourly. Perfectly come down and tap into that range as a breakout and retest. What up, the Connect, Nico? I'm doing amazing, brother. So bullish on the 4-hour. The 4 hour's got 2 hours before it closes. The hourly broke out with a retest just then. The 30s candle bodies are getting smaller, and the 15s holding a little bit of a level here. So what I'm going to do now, you guys, is check this out. I'm going to bring this up to here. You guys that are on TikTok, if you want to like a full screen, I'm on YouTube right now live, Daniel Holmes Trades. So this is going to be my top level here, breakout level. And then I'm just going to do the same. I think we're pretty close. I'd be interested in a break below here as well. These are the area I'm going to isolate for this session, you guys. Let me put a bit of notes here. Let me put some notes here, just so we remember. Sells below, closure. I'm going to do this, keep it pretty simple over here, but I'm also going to look see if there's any other potential opportunities. But this is the first thing that I've noticed. This is below. And buys above. But good to be here with you guys. Back at it. Another day. Another day. We are him collectively. Never heard of the bloke. So yeah, looking at this right now. What do you got? We've got the first 15 of the London session opened up. 1 hour's bullish, 30 minutes, bit whatever. I think the smart thing to do right now is, yeah, what I've got marked up here right now, I think. Let's see how price wants to move over this next candles or so. Never heard of the bloke. Has anyone ever heard of you? Is the real question. Bullish today. Yeah, on the higher time frames, for sure. You're a chill dude, lol. You're a... What's that meme? You're a chill... Just a chill guy. This is random. Okay, simulation. What? What? I thought I was weird. There was a big value gap. What up, just Mr. Dude? I have a big problem of waiting for my setup. Well, that's gentle Papillon. This is why I mark up my key areas, because then I can't get impatient by what the fluctuations of the market, you know, the market has a good way of kind of enticing you into shitty situations. But if I mark up areas and say, I'm only waiting for this now, it helps me stay disciplined. Because trust me, everyone has that same issue. But you have to set things in place in order to counter it. And for me, I mark out my key areas and I say, I can't do anything until price moves to that direction. Until then, bro, go give your girlfriend a flower or something. Like, just chill out and preserve your mental capital. What up to Mink? Oh. But yeah, here we are, you guys. Glad to have you guys here with me. Let's see what London session wants to present for us today. It's been pretty tricky, the London session this week. Not tricky, but just whatever. But actually, let me listen to something real quick. Because yesterday the TikTok music was way too loud. No one said anything though. Bro, it's way too loud. What the fuck? Again. You guys are gonna tell me this shit. How do I turn it? Is that less loud now? It's still super loud. Oh, there we go. I just fixed it. Yeah. Sweet. I'll put it at like 3 or something. 4. All right, cool. Here we are. Fuck it. All done. Which currency pair is it? If you read the screen, you will see. Oh, shit. No, you won't see. Sorry. All right, let me fix that. Just fucking roast you. Let me fix that, kind sir. Yeah, TikTok did some update and it just kind of glitched heaps of shit. Text. I have to do this because people just flat out say, what is this? Which I guess is fair enough. So it's a reasonable thing to ask. All right, so I know some of the cats in the Discord have caught some trades today. let's have a look. We'll bring up the Discord in a second, see what some of you guys are looking at. If any of you guys want to drop some analysis in the Discord, please do so, and I'll bring it up and see what you guys are looking at. Text. Yeah, it looks like TikTok, this app is glitching. So I'm not going to be able to I'm not going to be able to put some text on the screen. So this whole stream, I'm going to be dealing with people saying, what pair is this? Which is fair enough, but yeah. Let's have a look. What have I got? What have I got? So much fucking shit on the screen. All right. Why always gold traders trade during London? I don't think they do. I think that's just nothing. We are bullish on the higher time frame. What up, Entroflex? Hey, you guys, I had a meeting with a prop firm today. Hopefully, should be able to get some prop accounts for the community for free and shit. Raphael, what up, bruh? What up? So I got my key areas marked out over here, you guys. I have key areas, which is good. So now these key areas that marked out, it helps me stay disciplined and not get antsy about what the market does. Because I know I can't do anything until the price moves to one of these key areas. Question, I would like to get started. Where is a good place to start learning? Google. And I'm not being a dick, I'm being serious. Google. Just start Googling. What is Forex? What is... Just do it all like that. Start from the ground up. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Like literally start from the bottom and then soon you'll be here. Because people get this misconception with like, how do I start generating you know what instead of how do I start learning? It's two very different things. In order to get consistent. What up, Origin? Good to see you, bro. Without getting consistent, you'll never get consistent withdrawal without learning the game. Daniel, just draw it on the screen to say which pair it is to save. That is a good suggestion. Thank you. Let me turn this black or turn the opacity right down, but then I'll add text to it, which I can turn the opacity up. Gold. Look at this. Oh, man, I'm a fucking genius, bro. I literally just stole someone's idea and claim it. Let me make it a bit bigger. For the kids in the back. Gang. Can I move it? Yep. But that's the issue. It fucking moves with the screen, but oh well. How do I change that? Yes, I can change that. Sorry, guys. I want to know where the key resistance level is on the weekly time frame. Why? When we're trading the session right now. You know what I mean? Like, fair enough if you're a swing trader. But we're trading this current session. Type beat. So I would be like, just focus on that. Middle and go center. Boom. Oh my God, bro. I can't hear fucking any music now. Can you guys? I guess it is playing. Oh yeah, it's there. It's there. Oh. What is the strategy you're using, if you don't mind me asking? I'm using price action. It's where the candles move to a certain area and then I decide based on purely what the candles are doing if I want to participate or not. That's what I'm doing. UN Dozy. Let me just put this here. So yeah, you guys had a chat with the prop firm. Very interesting stuff. Could potentially be happening. Hopefully. Bullish or bearish? Bullish on the higher time frames. very bullish on the high time frame. If you look at the daily, we broke out past a key level here. There was a key resistance level right here on the daily. Not only did we break out here and close, we came back down today and retested that. Now we're flipping back and breaking up. To the left-hand side is extremely clean traffic. So yeah, I'm pretty flipping bullish. Now the question is the market going to present an opportunity for an entry? Because I could be bullish, but the market doesn't give me an opportunity to enter. That makes sense. So that's the game today. And the game is also, if the market doesn't give me an entry, then what are you going to do? Just whatever, wait and see if we can get another one. You should add a Discord server link in the live stream description. Nah, there's one it's pinned in the chat there. I'm not Noah. It's pinned in the chat, brother. Entro flex past 200. Oh, amazing, brother. Huge, 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 huge. Are you here every day? Yes, every single day. To this day. Sorry. Yeah, to this day. Every day. During the London Open session. All right, so the first 15 open closed. The 30 still open. We're approaching that level. And let's just see if we want to get a breakout, but a closure. A breakout, but a closure. Keyword, closure. And I'm going to bring up my NinjaTrader account. And, yes. I think the market just took out a huge imbalance. I don't know what that is. I don't know what an imbalance is. I don't know what a total soup is. I don't know what a fair value gap is. I don't know what a fucking divergence crossover bing bong is. And it doesn't matter. Isn't that the craziest part? It doesn't matter. Type poop. Okay, sick. Sick as. Hi man, is it worth invest? I don't give financial advice. This is not financial advice. It's for education and entertainment purposes only. And read the, yeah, that's all. But yeah, I don't know anything about XRP. I don't know anything about crypto. I don't know anything about coins. All I know is gold, Forex gold. All right, so let's have a look. Price is pushing up over here. The 30's still open. How old are you? 34. Damn, this YouTube layout looks clean, bro. Shit. This YouTube layout looks clean. You guys, I'm live on YouTube right now as well. Do you do copy trade? No, I don't do that. I don't think I ever would. I don't think I ever would. I don't think I ever would. We'll see. How long have you been trading? How long have you been a full-time trader? When did I say I'm a full-time trader? Is the question. That's the question, or are you assuming? What else are you assuming? Are you assuming the chart's going to do something that it's not doing? I'm joking. So after this candle closed above the zone, after the candle closed above the zone, if it's not too far from the zone, I'll be looking for the next candle to do exactly this. Just say this candle, how it's pushing up now, actually ends up coming back down and looking like a wick. Let's say the next one opens up, comes back down, tests, turns into a wick, and then flips. Then I'll look at taking an entry. Until then, I can't do anything. So let's just wait. Oh, someone's putting cowboy hats on me. Thank you there, Terminator. When are we going to meet up, Dan? Bro, what's up? What's the app you use in trade? This is just I forget the name of it. Yeah, I'd love to do a meetup with some of the Australian cats for sure soon. Very be keen for that. I want to do some sort of in-person seminar because I have a gigantic 75-inch Terminator. Thank you. I've got a gigantic 75-inch touchscreen where we can really break down price action in person. It'd be fucking amazing. Cowboy trade. Oh my god. JF, hi, what up, what up? What up, Dillawa? Cowboy. You guys, you need to be on the YouTube live stream. Way better. Are you in Sydney? No, I'm in Brisbane. You got to see my new layout. It's fucking clean. It's as clean as the wind we're gonna get. You know what? I don't like seeing this goal here. It's annoying. I guess I should keep it. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. Why 15 min? I switch between all, but the 15's the lowest I'll go to wait for a closure and confirmation. So how far has it moved up past this resistance? 24 pips. Patience, my friends. Patience. What's the saying? Patience is a bird flu. Virtue, that's right. What's the strategy? The strategy is where I don't know if you've seen it. Have you guys ever scrolled through TikTok or whatever, and there's like the chicks with the tarot cards and like they have fucking dream catchers and shit like that? So I use specifically a strategy that involves my star sign, which is Capricorn. I ensure that the stars are aligned and that the tarot cards align with it as well. And once I get all that happening, then I participate. So I'm just waiting for that. Do you scalp? Yeah, I scalp. Do you guys realize there actually is people that do that shit? Like, you'll find it on TikTok. It's wild. Wild stuff. So I've got 6.5 minutes here. See what this candle wants to do. If it wants to reject back down, if it wants to hang out a little bit. This will also be a 30-minute closure. Could be quite a strong 30-minute closure. I use that too. 200% win rate. I'm not sure if it's offensive, but are you... No, I don't know who you're talking about. He used to play Ark. I used to play Ark as well, but that's not who I am. I used to be heavily addicted to Ark. Heavily. I did a back injury like a year ago and I got addicted to it again, but I've hung up the ropes. Dude, fuck, it's a good game though. It's such a grind. What coin is this? Bro, it's not a coin! Coins are only a thing that TikTok kids know about. No, I'm sorry. It's not a coin. It's gold. It's gold. I'll definitely come down from the sunny coast and meet up in person for a seminar. Yeah, fucking oath. I'll if you're not, hopefully, I think you're in the Discord, Don. Yeah, like you guys, there's a Discord link in my bio there. And yeah, man, if there's Aussie traders, we'll definitely do a meetup. Bro, can you recommend this? Can you be recording this live and post it just for beginner learn more? Yeah, on my YouTube. All my live streams are on my YouTube. All my live streams are on my YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. All of them are there. You can see even my early ones when I was a freaking noob. Nah, not really, but it was definitely awkward. That if you see in the chat here, TikTok, if you put that into YouTube, game changer. Whatever that means. But all right, I've got 4.5 minutes over here. Dennis, I'm trading with a prop account. Sweet, Don. Just joined TikTok. I have... Mandy, I would say, unless you're willing to throw that, you know what, give it away to the market, I would say don't. I would say maybe look into what prop firms are. Because there's a 1,000, like, there's a 100%, so not even 1% chance that you will eventually give that to the market. So I would suggest you look into prop accounts and just focus on education. TikTok will not be working in the US. What are we going to do? Yeah, is that legit? Is that for real? Is that for real, man? crazy. Hopefully you guys are on YouTube, and if TikTok gets shut down, you could jump on the live stream on YouTube, because I'm live on YouTube right now, and I will be every day as well. To this day. All right, so 3.5 minutes over here. We've got 3.5 minutes for the candle to closure. What's the 1 hour looking like? Cool, very strong. Everything's bullish. Everything's just... So, we'll see. Been looking for traders to follow. You look legit, bro. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Be live every day. Be live every day. And that's a good thing about... It's a good thing about life, right? I want to start trading. Well... The good thing about life is you can just start. You can literally just do anything in life. I decided I wanted to do a boxing match, and I did a couple boxing matches. Before that, I decided I wanted to compete in bodybuilding, did a couple bodybuilding competitions. Like, you can just decide to do shit and do it. So that's pretty good. Please, do you have any mentor programs? No, but I have a Discord in the chat, which is free, and it's just us getting better at traders. And on a Sunday, we'll get together and do a seminar and focus on specific things. This Sunday, we're going to focus on identifying support and resistance levels. Elon wants to buy it. Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, I know what the 4 hours looking like, Toby. It's bullish. It's bullish. I finally found someone I can trade gold with. Kevin, I can't answer that, but lots. Are you a serious trader? The most serious. Well, I don't know what your definition of serious is, but it's my number one passion in life. I show up every day and dedicate 2.5 to 3 hours to it. And what more do you want from that, right? I can't join the Discord. Yeah, you can. You have to copy the link and paste it into your browser if it doesn't work for you. What animals are we going to draw today? Bro, remember the fucking giraffe? The giraffe, fucking vicious giraffe signal. There's a Discord link in my bio, my guy. What's your Discord? It's in my bio. How can I join your Discord? Click the link. Click the link, and if you click the link and it doesn't work, you have to copy the link and then paste it into your browser, your internet browser, because it just means you don't have fucking something. All right, so look at this. We're rejecting down over here. Big wick. Pretty similar thing happened yesterday. If you notice yesterday here, you can see these levels that I've marked out here. Same thing, and I'm going to be paying attention this time because I've actually learned from this. Same thing. We had a resistance level here. Hang on. We had a resistance level here, and this candle here broke out, but it left a big wick, right? When it wicked down and flipped up, I think I took a buy, but then this candle took me out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the next 30 to indicate it's ready to go, not the 15 this time. So let's just see. That is if this candle's breaking out or not. It might come back into the range. Let's see. Yep, it's still just there, but that's a fucking big wick, you guys. In this sense, I might actually need to wait for a red candle to print, because look at this. Something that I take into consideration is the fact that the wick is bigger than the body. The wick is bigger than the body here, you guys. Isn't that interesting? So the wick is 23 pips and the body is 12, right? I might need something like this now, you guys, to be extra confident. Is just say this candle on the 15-minute prints something like that. I would be very happy to take an impulse buy after that right there. I won't even need to wait for a candle to close, because I know in all the other time frames we're very bullish as well. But I think I'm going to need that now, just because this wick is very big. And what does that mean? Exhaustion, rejection, blah, blah, blah. Where your girlfriend? Where is girlfriends? I need to see her. I don't have any. So what do you guys think about that bit of analysis I just said there with the wick and stuff like that? Big wick seems like it's going down, or it makes sense, right? Would you agree? I'd rather watch you trade than I'm nice. Yep, makes sense. Yep. Yeah, bro, you're correct. Okay, yep. As long as I'm not making sense over here. Don't focus on girls, they're a distraction. Yeah, especially if you're trying to really crush it in trading, you guys, and streaming. Like it's, you know, it's an effort. What the fuck? Did I tell you to turn off light? Sorry, gang. 1 sec. But bro, is there a ghost in here or something? Yeah. Wow. This is radio. But yeah, happy to be with you guys. I guess you guys, I just did a bit of analysis there, what I'm looking for now. I understand. So you're positive and a goal setter. Absolutely. I'm sure that you guys, if you guys are here focused on trading and you're passionate about it, you've got to be like this isn't a game, right? Can we agree with that? This isn't a game. Although we can sit here on stream and like we can have a bit of fun, this isn't a game. Like there's real shit on the line. And although there's a level of like I need to kind of detach the seriousness from it because I don't want to get too emotionally invested, there's also the level of like I also have to take this hyper serious. I have to show up every day with a game plan and execute it. And then when I execute it, I need to reassess that. I need to journal it, look back and fucking, you know what I mean? You seem very frustrated today, man. Music was loud, charts were all... Is the music still loud? No, music's good now. It was fucking way too loud earlier though. Open up the curtains, bro. That view. No, it's still daytime. I will when it gets nighttime. I'm not sure about predicting where the price goes. I have a quote on this stream, which I didn't make up, but I will definitely claim it, saying, "We don't predict, we react." Boom! Put that on a flippin' shirt. Oh man. No pullback on the 30. Yeah, so like I said, like the 15, like the 30. Okay. Let me think here. I might not need a red. If I need the I would like to wait for this 15 to close. I would love it if this 15 could close red. I really would. So let's just see. Bro, I've been trading on MT5 live account. What advice do you have for me? Well, what's the issues you're having, my brother? Because I can give you advice if it's not related to what issues you're having. It would make sense. I've been on your live for a whole week and so far I'm impressed. I appreciate that. Glad to have you here. Glad to have you here, guys. We, yeah, here every day. Just, you know, I trade every day and I just thought, why not press record and just, you know, do it live. So here we are. What up, Kater? Haven't seen your name in the chat for a while. The price is only going up to fill the stop loss of buyers, but that's you just saying that. Like, you don't know what the price is doing. Price is just... You got to understand that the way that the markets are only moving to represent the value of gold and the US dollar, like, you know, and the correlation they have. It's not doing anything specifically. It's not like, it's not alive. The markets aren't alive. I know sometimes it feels organic, but it's not, right? So we have to kind of make sense of what the market's doing. So we tell ourselves, well, there's a liquidity grab. Oh no, there's this, there's that. But really it's just like the value of the dollar type shit. But I do understand that like areas get respected and that's where human beings can have an edge over the market. But let's not get too conspiratory and just chill. New here. What up, Daniel? Born for greatness. Love the name, brother. I'm doing good. I've been on the live since Dan was 5 years old. I'm a millionaire because of it. That's so true. Oh, Damien. Sheesh. You guys, this YouTube fucking layout is clean, man. I just have to say it, man. I have to say it myself. It's so clean. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. Were you on maths? Yeah, I was on maths. So yeah, anyone that has been here, I would really like this candle here. Let me just draw it up real quick for you guys to see what I'm looking at. What I would absolutely love, I'll black that out. If this current 15 that's open could close something like this outside of that range, I don't even care if this next one doesn't create a bottom wick. I'll take an impulse buy about there if that happens. If this exact setup happens, oh, I'll be frothing from the schlong. No, it's not. My trading isn't just break and retest, but that's like the setup that typically arises probably the most on stream. And it's like the easiest to kind of just, yep, here's my areas of interest, need this to happen. I want to learn your strategy. Join the Discord this Sunday, free seminar, closed seminar group with the cats in the Discord. We're going to focus on support and resistance levels and things like that. Daniel no, I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade. So like I said, like I do like this. I do like this on the 30, but I don't like this big rejection. So I'm going to have to wait for this 15 to print. I could miss out. But I need to wait for this 15 to print. I'll be honest. I think I need to wait for this 15 to print. I do like that wick. I do like that retest. But then you've got 4 30-minute candles. Like, yeah, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait for a print. And if I miss out, then it is what it is. I just have to stick to my rules. How do people hear your accent and not know you're from Australia? That's what I think every time when someone says, where you from? I'm like, bro, g'day, mate. Like, how much more Australian can I get? Mate. You guys, Daniel Holmes trades on YouTube live. Full screen. Way better. Like, if you really want to be a profitable trader, you'd be on there. This is giving me OCD. It's still off, but I just have to give up. I have to let the light win that one. Where's the seminar going to be on YouTube? No, it's in my Discord, and I'll create a Zoom meeting for us in the Discord. That's where it's going to be. Wow, look at this, 600 people in total over here. Hello from Croatia. Hello from Australia. Daniel, you got YouTube? Yeah, Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm live on YouTube right now. It's a full screen. It's not like a little TikTok screen. Me and FOMO is like brother. That's because like this is, and I've spoken about this a couple times today, is like if you're like me, I isolate the areas that I'm waiting for price to get to, and it helps me stay disciplined to not get into shitty trades. I know I can only execute anything until price gets to one of these key areas. Until then, I just have to hang out. And that's something that can, well, help me. Maybe it can help you. Right, I'm gonna bring this over here. How do you mark out these key areas? I'll go into it in depth on this Sunday in the Discord. If you're in the Discord, there's a link in my bio. This Sunday, I'm going to go to in depth on how I find support and resistance levels. Yeah, all right, cool. I'm here, nice way better than shit talk. Oh, Peter here on YouTube came over from TikTok, said it's way better than TikTok. See, there's proof right there, you guys. Daniel Holmes Trades live on YouTube right now. So I've got 2 minutes before this 15-minute candle can close. I'd like it to close back above the range here. Let's see. Shout me out. Goggles_official said shout me out. So there it is. There's your shout out. How do I get started trading? Do you mentor? I'd say join the Discord. I don't mentor, but I will try and help as much as I can. Is the Discord free? Yes. Yeah. How do I join your Discord? Click the button. There's a link in the bio. If it doesn't work, then you have to copy the link and paste it into your browser. You guys on YouTube, if you guys could drop a subscribe, I'd appreciate it a ton. It took me like 6 months to get to 1,000, and I'm growing from there. It's pretty crazy to see. Just subscribe to YouTube. Oh, amazing! Thank you, brother. Thank you. All right, so we've got a minute and a half here for this candle closure. What up, Carolina? Good to have you here, bro. Bro, what do you think CSD entry model? CSD entry model. Cambridge Structural Database. Bro, I have no idea. How do you only have 1K subs on YouTube? Everyone go follow him. I appreciate that as well. No, it's relatively new, that's why. Subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Means a lot, means a lot. What time are you going to do the in-depth on Sunday? London open time. All right, so what's London open? It's been open for 45 minutes. So for me, 6 p.m. Right now it's 6:45. 6 p.m. on Sunday. And I just say London open time because London open is different everywhere you are. So have you tried a SND strat or order flow? I don't know anything. I've done all the strategies, and now I just do what I do now, which is just simple price action. 6 p.m. Brisbane time. Yeah, thank you, Delaware. Yeah, 6 p.m. Brisbane time. Do you know Flume from Australia? I know his music. I don't know him specifically. Oh, you're from Sydney, GM. Dope. Dope. I've been trading live for coming up to 6 months, bro. I was in the gym one day with my friend, and I was trying to get him into trading. I said, man, I've just been thinking about going live, hey, and just like starting to make trading content. And he was like, oh yeah. And then I just started doing it. And here we are, type beat. All right, so check this out. Check this out. Man, broke neck syndrome. I literally... So what happened here, you guys? Price came up, rejected. And what did it do? It broke back into the range. So even if this 30 does flip back up now, it's too ugly. Although I am still extremely bullish on the daily time frame, something I might be looking at now is if we can come down and create like maybe a smaller candle body, another smaller one, then flip green. Like if we can kind of retest somewhere down here and flip green, I could be interested in participating around there, right? I need a signal now that it's kind of pulling back, because if we know an uptrend moves in zigzags, then I just want to kind of isolate that pullback and participate there. because right now the breakout's invalid because it broke back into the range. So let's hang out for a minute over here and see what's up. Bro, how to recover from a losing streak? Journal, try not to get too emotional, just get back on the horse and crush it, brother. But the thing is, like, you guys, you got to figure out, like, if you're having issues in trading, you can't literally get back onto the chart the next day and be like, I'll try again. Like, you really need to fucking look in, like, figure it out, like, do some journaling, go like, what did I do wrong? Am I too impulsive? Is my strategy a shit? Like, what's going on? Right? It's not enough to do the same thing and expect a different result. First time joining, good to have you here, seeking the truth. Appreciate it. Can you do a full breakdown in the next live? I can do a full breakdown of certain things on Sunday in the Discord. Hi, can I know what your strategy is? Price action. I don't see anything happen in the Discord. Am I on the right one? What do you mean? Do you think I'm going to be there right now and also doing a seminar right now? Right now, I can somehow be in two places. No, it's on Sunday. On Sunday. On Sunday, my dude. What car do you have? A Bugatti. Sweet S. What's your max bench, Dan? Not as much as it used to be. Back in my day. Bro, I used to punch out, just subscribe to your YouTube. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. You guys, I'm live on YouTube right now as well. Back in the day when I used to compete in bodybuilding and used to be on a lot of, you know, enhancements, I would, you know, I'd punch out 320 plates on each side like it was like pretty easy, right? Now I'm just a chill guy. First time joining, I like the way you interact. Thank you, time will tell. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. So like I said, you guys, I would like to see some sort of signal now that we might be having a pullback, and I can try to isolate this area here on that pullback to participate in the move up, if that is what it wants to do. Because based on the higher time frames, that's what a lot of the higher time frame is telling me, that it's very bullish, and I'm still bullish until proven otherwise. So let's just hang out over here. The 1 hour closes in 11 minutes, which is interesting. It's looking quite weak, right? We've got options. We've got options. Something else that I might be interested in, and this is something that I've been back testing a little bit, and I don't really suggest anyone do it because it's still pretty new for me. If this candle closes something like this, the next one can wick down and then push. I might take an entry about there. This is something I've been back testing. I'll go, if it does set up, I'll go into more detail about what it means and why I take it, but I've got a few options over here. Likewise, GM. Good morning, Daniel. Why are you thinking a bounce versus a reversal? Well, it's essentially a bounce off just like an area it makes. Maybe it can kind of bounce off here. Because it failed to break out, right? It broke back into the range. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate ya. Appreciate ya. What up, Paul? But yeah, don't mistake my roasting for being cut. I'm only being a dickhead. Yeah, thank you, Dilwar. Yeah, this is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. This is not a coin either. This is Forex. Today seems rough so far. It's all right. It's just doing its thing. Do a full breakdown of your strategy. It's not that easy. I could do a full breakdown of certain entry models and things like that, but the entire strategy would need like a full course type beat. Everyone tap the screen. Yeah, that'd be dope. Nearly at 10K likes over here. Wow. What up, FX Diddy? Daddy. Sorry. FX Diddy, shit. You need to change your name to FX Diddy. You'd be touching them charts up. What is a coin? I don't even know, to be honest. Oh, man. If you guys ever ask like anything in terms of like digits and things like that, I can't talk about that on TikTok because TikTok has very strict rules and parameters in regards to like what could be looked at as financial advice. This is not financial advice. Yeah, so let's just see what this candle wants to do here. This next closing candle will also be the 1 hour closure. What's the average ROI? Probably 1 to 1. It's never static. Like I always move it. I'll take size off if it's moving drawdown, or if it's in profit, I'll move to break even and let it run. So it's pretty irrelevant for me personally, but yeah. Brought a helicopter with guns. Damn, you guys have to see the YouTube layout. Let me know what you think about it. Maybe I'm too hyped on it. I need to like... Thanks for the flowers there, gang, on YouTube. TikTok, I mean. All right, we've got 6 minutes. Let's see what happens. Let's see what this candle wants to do. What app are you trading on? I'm using a NinjaTrader Apex account, but I'm looking at the market with TradingView. Can't speak about that one way, bruh. But not much. Apex funded accounts, yeah. So we've got 5 minutes. This is going to be a 30-minute. Oh, look at that on the 30, you guys. Big fake out of some sort. The 1 hour is flipping red now. The other time frames, let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hours coming down-ish. Interesting. Very interesting. What's the daily doing? Yeah, we'll see. I'm still bullish. We could be getting some sort of, like I said, some sort of pullback and a bounce off some area. We'll see. We'll see. Please put 30-minute time frame. Let me see. That's a 30-minute. It's rejecting off. YouTube looks great. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's good as. Do you do options? No, I might be doing it a little bit soon though. So what do we got to the left-hand side of the 15-minute? Yeah, clean as ranged to the direct left side. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. The fuck is it? Cool, I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing. You look, you look like you know what you're talking about. Hopefully you will blow up on YouTube soon. Appreciate that. I don't know about any of that stuff, but yeah, just show up every day, make content, try to be a human, and yeah, see what happens. What up, Poison? Waiting for more confirmation. I'm waiting for a different type of setup potentially. That's what I'm doing now, because obviously I was looking for some sort of breakout, but now I could be looking at a potential, if this candle closes something like that, maybe the next one close like that, and then get some sort of move after, right? As if it's some, because I know on the higher time frames, I'm still bullish on the higher time frames, but I'm just looking for lower time frame confirmation. We failed to break out. Maybe we're having a pullback for a continuation. So I'm just waiting to get, I'm waiting to see if the market leaves any clues on what it might want to do next. That's all. Daniel, what happened to your other TikTok account? Yeah, TikTok shut me down, so I started a fresh one. This one blew up way quicker than the other one though, which is cool. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok as well. Appreciate ya. Appreciate ya. Everybody teach me. Why gold? Haven't traded UK. No, I used to trade a lot of different pairs, but I just landed on gold. Gold was the one I wanted to focus on. What up, Cap Booth? How were you able to prevent your account from getting banned? I wasn't. My old account did. But now I do things a bit different. I'm much more cautious with the wording that I use, and I understand TikTok's policies a bit more. And I'm also, oh, Carolina, I've never seen that cat gift. Wow, thank you. I'm much more, yeah, and I'm linked with like this TikTok live agency, and they apparently help. I don't know. How many trades do you take a day? 2 max. What up, Curtis? Do you trade supply and demand? No. Just price action. Focus on like support and resistance levels, and just chill out and stuff like that. It's disappointing there are total frauds that run massive groups on here. You mean on TikTok or on? There's nothing on my side of things, Keithy. What is your main source of income? I work for a gas company. I'm a business development manager for a gas company. I get to work remotely, and then at 6 p.m. my time, when I finish work at around 4 p.m., I get ready, get the stream ready, jump on the charts for a couple hours, and then I trade during the London session. Been following you for a while now. You're doing a great job right there. Thank you, Curtis. Thank you. Appreciate that, bro. When trading support and resistance, what are the 3 main things to look for? I won't tell you the 3 main things. I'll tell you the 1 main thing. When trading support and resistance, the 1 main thing to wait for, to focus on is waiting for candles to close. Waiting for candles to close. My win rate went up substantially when I waited for candles to close, right? So that'd be my biggest advice. Are you funded or using funded? But this current account that I'm passing is a, I nearly said the word that I'm allowed to say is, all right, I like what I'm seeing here. If this next candle, I need to wait for it, but if this next candle can do something like this, and then the next one wicks down, I'll be interested, but I need to see green here. I need to see green printed. If this one decides to open up now and just move off, I have to just chill out and let it do its thing. But right now, I would love to see a small body green candle print. When I say small body, like a little bit bigger than the one prior. See how I'm moving these levels up as well, you guys? This was where the level was before, because we were focused. This was the closest resistance level here. But now that we've had candles close, this is actually the breakout level now. We broke out, but we faked out and came straight back into the range. So this is the level now. But regardless, I'm focused on where we are here, which is here. And I want to see this exactly. Oh, that would be a beautiful sight to see. I'll tell you that right now. Then when the next one opens up, maybe get a wick and then participate. We'll see. The 1 hour just closed and the 30-minute also just closed. 1 hour, very weak, big rejection candle. Cool. And when I say waiting for candles to close, somebody asked me what's the biggest thing to focus on when you're trading support and resistance. I said waiting for candles to close. This is the perfect example as to why waiting for candles to close. If you're a breakout trader or something like that, and you took an impulse buy here, what happened? You didn't wait for the candle close and you got faked out and you just lost the trade. So I used to be that guy. And then when I started waiting for candles, my win rate ran up a lot. Moving zones is crazy. I can't say that last word. What do you mean, bro? So are you going to mark out zones and then leave them for the rest of the day? No matter what new price action has been created, you're going to keep zones that were relevant. It's like me going down here and being like, all right, these are my key zones here. And then when price punches through it, you're like, damn it, but these were my zones over here. It's like, no, you move it as price starts to print. Does the gas company know that you are on TikTok? Not really, but they know that I live stream. They know that I live stream. Fam, you're moving resistance levels. Yeah, because new resistance was formed. I don't understand why you're confused. Bruh. Why are you ignoring the FVG at this level? Because I don't trade FVGs. I don't know any. I don't do FVGs, my dude. Max, that's a you issue, my bro. I can't help you. Let's see what this new 1 hour is looking like. Wow, isn't that interesting, that last rejection over there on the 1 hour? 4 hours still open. 4 hour close in just under an hour. What time frame did you find them key levels? On the 15. So I work my way down for bias, and then I find I isolate my key areas of support and resistance on the 15. Bro, what do you think about Raja Banks? I like Raja Banks. Raja Banks was one of like the first guys I ever came across in the game, and I'm glad I did because it was like simple price action strategy. And then I first learned simple price action strategy and had a relatively good success with that. And then I went around the world doing all this other crazy shit that didn't work. And I went through all the losses and the pain, and then I came back to simple price action. Thank you. What kind of account? Funded. When I came across your TikTok account about being funded and framing the funder certificate, I fully understand. Yeah. That's good that you do. Yeah, I can see how it can get a little bit misconstrued, what I was trying to say. I was also being a bit extra dramatic on purpose, but yeah, you definitely got to be careful about like pedestalizing the idea of goals a bit too much, especially about when it comes to getting funded. Because once you do become funded, you're like, oh wow, okay, well now I'm here. I still have to show up tomorrow and the next day, and then for the next 70 years, and consistently stick to the plan and get shit happening. So that was my point. No, I don't use trend lines at all. Yeah, I used to, but yeah, none at all anymore. Oh, Max, you might actually be the second person I've ever blocked. I'm gonna block you. Sorry, Ben, I know you were having an argument with him, but I had to block him. There's no point coming in just spreading negativity. So wow, that's the second person I've ever had to block on this. Interesting. Do breakout strategies still work in 2025? And given how often liquidity sweeps, I don't know about any liquidity sweeps. I don't know about any of that shit. And yeah, breakout strategies, you can back test it all the way, many years back. It's still the same. But like breakouts, it's not just like I'm looking at a breakout and then participate in that. Like I'm looking at all the time frames and coming together with a bias, right? So you're really just reading price, and the breakout is just an opportunity to execute on that price. So yeah. Yeah, I think Raja Banks influenced a lot of people for sure. When I got funded, I framed it thinking I was the man. Which is cool. Like, it's okay. I get it. I did the same. It is good. Like, you do feel good. You have a YouTube channel? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube right now. It's way better. You know Member FX or Q Banks? Yeah, I did Q Banks' course back in the day as well. Great stream, man. I'm trying to learn over here. Oh, amazing. Good to have you here, Tyler. How many years are you trading? Come up to 3. Do you trade the 1 minute? Absolutely not. I did at one stage when I went around the world and did every strategy to try and figure out who I am. It was a disaster. It was a fucking disaster. How much do you think it will drop? We never try to predict over here. We just react. We react. Yeah, people say that all the time, Lee. Buy or sell, buy. Oh, thank you for all the gifts over there. Man, this might be some of the most gifts I've ever got on a stream. Do you stream every day, brother? Yeah, I do. Maybe not every day on TikTok, but Daniel Holmes Trades live on YouTube. I'm every day live on YouTube, definitely. I'm there right now as well. Multi-streaming. Stream maxing over here, my dudes. All right, so we've got 7 minutes over here. I'm liking how this is looking, but a lot can change in 7 minutes. So I would love it to print similar to what it is now, but we'll see. With your strategy, you got to have a lot of patience, that's for sure. Yeah, I think that's every strategy, though, to be honest. I think that's every strategy, whether we want to admit it or not. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. Wild. Wild things. Did you take a course to learn how to trade? I took many courses. And they took me around the world, and I ended up coming back to where I started in terms of strategy. Man, you should read the Trading View messages. Trading View messages? There's Trading View messages? What do you mean? I think it's time to open this. That's when profits kick in. The sun will go down in a minute. Very nice. I'm liking how this is printing. I've noticed a pattern which the first half of any candle, usually quarter, usually goes in the opposite way. The next candle, notice. Yeah, I don't know that. Wow, nice view. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? I'm going to move this. Wait till the sun goes down a bit more. It looks real nice. Sorry, one sec. Wow, you guys spamming through the... But yeah, happy to be here with you guys, doing the thing we're passionate about. Let's have a look. Beautiful green screen. You think it's a green screen? You think it's a green screen? I don't know how to fucking prove it. How would I prove that this isn't a green screen? Look. Ready? Wow, maybe people do think it's a green screen. Nah, there's no news today. Guys, if this candle prints exactly how it is right now and the next one can wick down a little bit, oh my God, I'll be happy. Just messing with you. Where do you live? I live in Brisbane City. You guys, you have to be on the YouTube stream. It looks so much better. I keep like sucking myself off about it, but it's so fucking good. Daniel Holmes Trades live on YouTube right now. Way better screen than TikTok. More profitable people over there on YouTube. Love how I just like gaslight people to come over there. But yeah, very liking how we're looking over here. Let's see. We need the candle to close though. Need a candle closure, my brothers. From TikTok to YouTube. Very nice. Ah, amazing, Curtis. Good to have you here on YouTube. Good to have you on the YouTube side. Someone else said there is news today. Let me have a look. Oh, you're right. Sorry. Core retail sales tonight. Okay, interesting. Still got 5.5 hours or whatever. Lol, you can actually see his hair is greenish. Bro, it's not a fucking green screen. Like, do I have to jump out the window for you to realize that it's real? I'll do it. Look, I'll open the window. How do you open a green screen window? Explain that, Barbara. So, you can't see the green in my hair. You can maybe see gray. Please don't. Yeah, definitely green. Bro! Real. Anyway. From TikTok to YouTube. Mad. Twin. Amazing, brother. Good to have you here. Oh my days. AI is wild. Wow. Now it's fucking AI. Now it's AI. It's not green screen. Now it's AI. Radio. Radio. You can't win some of these battles, you guys. It's the Matrix. You can't win some of these battles. Yeah. Bro, you don't have to prove anything. Yeah, you're right. You guys, I'm telling you, I'm very liking what I'm seeing here. 30-minute. So what I'm going to be ready to do in a minute, check this out. Let's get serious for a second over here. If this next candle can open up, wick down a little bit like this and start to flip, I'm gonna take a entry about there, but I need this candle to close. And if it takes off without me, then I'll have to maybe stay with my idea of looking for a breakout. So let's just hang out for a second here. When are you going to take the trade when the opportunity arises? He's not even Australian. You guys, I don't know if I can do this today. I don't know if I can do this today. If I'm not Australian, what the fuck am I? What could I possibly be if I'm the most Australian there is? All right, let's have a look over here. So we kind of missed that potential entry. It's moving up pretty strong here now. Bro, open the window. Bro, I've done it. I've done it all. Exactly, Curtis. Okay, look at this. We're getting a breakout above now. Like I said, I was trying to catch an entry earlier here, but it decided to do its thing. So let's hang out for a second. I'm still interested in what my previous idea was, which was a breakout. Let's see if this can actually break above, though. It's important. It's done in the last, impulsively done it in the last, fucking 10 seconds. Yeah, I like that. I do like that. What was the range? What was this range? Big pip, big candle. Okay, I'm going to get ready to put a buy stop in here in a sec. Oh, give me a second here. Let's get serious for a second. Let me just I'm just trying to pull up these accounts. Standard. All right, so I'm going to personally put a buy limit over here. When this candle flips, I'm going to put it at the break of this candle. Check this out. I'm going to put it at the break of this candle here. Right? That's where I'm putting it. At the break of that candle here, not at the flip of the current candle. Because I want to let it breathe a little bit. So let me put a bit of word in here. Again, this isn't financial advice or nothing like that. This is just me chilling. I don't suggest anyone do anything I'm doing. What's the range of this wick? Yeah, my stop will be around 20 pips, but I'll take size off if it starts to look too ugly. But I'll also give it a bit of room to breathe. You can see here what I've got set. All right. I'm not quite triggered in just yet. Somehow. The fuck is that possible? Okay, I am there. All right, so I'm in. I'm straight away prepared to just manage the position. Let me look. So first thing is, if it goes into a certain amount of profit, get ready to take off 85%. If it goes into a certain amount of drawdown, get ready to take off 50%. That's all. Pretty textbook. 19-ish. What was my thing? Yeah. So that's all. If it starts to dance around its own bottom wick, I'll be straight away prepared to take off 50%. But if it goes in around 15 pips profit, I'll take off 85%. Move stops to break even and let the rest run. So now it's just chill out and manage it. Just watch. The only thing we can manage, this is a Raja quote, the only thing you can control is a potential drawdown. In the sense of, like, you can control how much you, like, I can lose a little bit less, right? Wow. 700 people here on fucking TikTok. 150 on Yui. So you can see what I've got set here. Hey bro, love the quality of your cam you're using. Thank you. It's called a ZV-E10 or some shit. So I have two options now. I can have my finger on the trigger to potentially take profits, or finger on the trigger to potentially take off size if it starts to look too ugly. Guess which finger my trigger's on? The take size off if it looks too ugly. I don't care what it does if it goes in my direction. I do, but I'm much more concerned about controlling the potential loss. That's all. What are you trading? Currencies. How's your week? My week's amazing, brother. Good to have you here, Shano. Good to have all you guys here. I'm live on YouTube as well, full screen type beat. You can see, like, you can see this properly and stuff. So we're getting a good little push over here. Pretty clean range to the left-hand side, you guys. I've got to be honest. I would love to see it break past this wick. I would love to see it break past this wick. Let's see again. Just go on the YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades live. I'm live on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. You're doing so well with the views, mate. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. No, I appreciate that a lot. I'm very grateful to be here with you guys. Whoa! Oh, target filled. There goes my... I just gained 20 pips there. Full TP. I didn't even get to take size off. Bro, you guys have to spam W's if you fucking took that. You gotta spam W's if you took that. That was textbook. That was textbook. Gang. 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 Bro, I didn't even get to take partials in profit. It just hit my fucking TP. Dilaway, you got that one as well? Gang. Fucking look how many dubs are here. Wow, you guys. Incredible stuff there. Isn't that textbook? Nice, Kelvin. Habib. Nice. Nice. And the most, like, when I've got 1,000 people live as well. Yeah, that was a fucking textbook trade right there, you guys. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice, you guys. So let me have a look over here. I'm going to show on YouTube what I was able to get there, but I won't be able to show it on the TikTok stream. I won't be able to show it on the TikTok stream. You guys, I'm live on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades, if you want to see some like more specific digits. Fucking hell, how do I pull this up? Anyway, you guys on YouTube, can you see that down the bottom left? I'd still be holding here if I didn't. I already had an automatic take profit in place type beat, so I just hit it. But amazing volume there, you guys. Glad to see that some of you guys took that one as well. Although I don't suggest it. But if you do, then sometimes it works out well and other times whatever. So what I'm going to do now, you guys, is I'm going to hang out for a minute over here. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. Wow. Yeah, if you took a dub there, you got to give me a follow for that and a subscribe on YouTube. But I'm going to hang out for a minute here, you guys, and potentially see if we get another opportunity. That's all. But it has to be clean because otherwise I'd rather just... I'm 50K funded now. Yes. Nice. So if I do wait for another setup, it needs to be hella clean because I am not giving back profits. And yeah. Oh, Matani from here on YouTube stream from TikTok. He said, nice. Good to have you here, brother. First time I've ever seen you jump in both got the trade. That's a subscribe. Yeah, dope, dope. Next one. That's it. That's it. So I got profit. Amazing. Amazing. Way too emotional over here for one singular trade, but it's just like, it's the most people I've ever had on stream. And we got a clean win. This is purely what we learned from last time. Exactly, bro. Yep. Dub community. Dope. Yeah, you guys, there's a Discord in my bio there as well. On Sunday, we're going to do a closed group webinar about isolating support and resistance levels, like how to really find those key levels. And this is why I think it's the best strategy, you guys. Did you see once we got that breakout, got the retest, and then how much volume kicked in? And you want to tell me support and resistance like strategy isn't it? Bro, it is it. Fucking trust me. Trust me. You just have to fucking get it. You just have to get it. Can we be mates, bro? We are mates. Everyone here in the chat is mates. I fucking love all you guys. To this day. To this day. So, look, you see a lot of people pip and dipped. Oh no, maybe they just came over the YouTube chat because there's a lot of people on YouTube now. But let's be patient here, my brothers, and see if let's see how this candle prints. Wow, if I didn't have my automatic TP there, I would be still fucking holding this. How many pips has this moved up? Is anyone still holding? Is anyone still holding over here? It's up 35 pips currently. Thank you for your live on TikTok. Oh, you're from the live on TikTok. Amazing. Good to have you here on YouTube, brother. Still holding over here. Oh, there's a lot of people in the TikTok chat here still holding. Wow. Guys, I'll be taking off 85% and moving to break even if I was you. Someone debriefed me here. Amazing. Just made one. Wow, amazing. A lot of you guys are still holding YouTube as well. Okay. Yep. Came here from TikTok for a look. Josh, you gotta give a brother a subscribe. You guys on YouTube, you gotta give a brother a subscribe. I started from the bottom, now I'm here. 6 months ago with 0 viewers, now I just casually got 1,000. New shirt, don't dip, don't pip and dip. Right? You can't come on the stream and pip and dip, my guys. Right? What's your YouTube name? Daniel Holmes Trades. So it's the same name as my TikTok. Exact same name. Waiting for another entry. Yeah, let's just see how this prints. It's going to need to be clean for me to want to participate because I don't want to give back profits, right? I take 1 to 2 trades a day. And if I'm going to take a second one, it needs to be textbook. So let's just hang out for a minute over here and see if we get that, my guys. I will trade with you every day, win or lose, learning a lot. Amazing, Henny. Glad to have you here. And that's the thing. Do not ever think that, oh, this dude, like we come on the stream and maybe he'll take a dub and stuff like that. No. I lose all the time. All the time. The thing is, when I do lose, I manage the drawdown. I take off size straight away. What did I say when I entered? If this breaks its own bottom wick, I'm taking off 50%. My finger's on the 50% trigger, not on the take profit trigger. Right? I'm always thinking, how can I lose less? Because losing's a part of the game. Yeah, so I'm currently in this a couple of other challenge accounts over here, and I'm halfway through one of these ones. I'm nearly there. What time is your trading session? Learning a lot. I'm live every day at the London Open session, and if you don't know what time London Open is for you, go to babypips.com, and on the top it says tools, forex market hours. And I can see for me, London Open is this blue thing here at 6 p.m. Right now, it's currently 7:30, so I've been in London Open for an hour and a half. On Sunday, we're going to do a webinar in the Discord at 6 at London Open on Sunday, talking about identifying support and resistance. So I'm going to move this text because it's confusing people. And I'm just gonna, my goal now is just to hang out for a second and see how the market prints for a second over here. 9 a.m. in the SA. Oh, dope, you're an Aussie, Dirk. Yeah, sick. Join the Discord, brother, if you're keen, and get after it in the Discord. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. I've identified every time I get, so right now I've had a 500 follows from this stream alone on TikTok. But it's actually 1,000. Every time I realize it's double because it only counts when people tap this thing here. But then when I get off the stream, I realize, oh, it's actually double. How do I join the Discord? Click the link in my bio. Thanks for the profit. Thank you for being here. This isn't one of those types of streams. This isn't signals. I just do what I do. And if you so happen to be here, whatever. Don't have you cooked your first funded? Why are you passing? Oh, because I'm trying to pass more so I can copy trade. So then when I can trade less on the fundeds, right? I can use less size, but with double, the longevity makes more sense. So that's what I'm doing. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. What's the time? Let me check out the time here, you guys. 7:30. The 4 hours closing. I might actually call it a day. Wow, look at this, you guys. For you guys that are holding over here. How do you explain gold being bullish? At the start of the stream, I went through it. Love you guys. I'm going to call it a day. Appreciate you guys being here. Can I join? Still join? Appreciate you guys being here. I'll be back tomorrow during the London session. If you guys aren't subscribed on YouTube, please subscribe. Please, I'll do anything. I'll be live on YouTube tomorrow. And yeah, appreciate you guys. Love you a lot. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. And make sure you're following so you don't miss a stream. I'll be live every day to this day.